Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you on how to restore notes on iPhone. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your notes. So I'm just gonna open this sample folder. As you can see, I have two files right here, or notes. So I'm gonna just go ahead and add one more. So I'm just gonna type 4. So now as you can see, I have 1, 2, and 4 notes right here. So let me just go ahead and delete my 4 notes. Okay, so now when you click on the folders option at the upper left corner of your screen, you can see the recently deleted folder right here, right? So now when you click on that, you can see the 4 notes that I've deleted earlier. So now if you want to restore it, just go ahead and edit this, choose the notes that you want to restore, click on move, and select the folder where you want to move the notes. So let me just go ahead and click on the sample folder. Okay, so now when I click on the sample folder, as you can see, all of my files are now complete, right? So I have the 1, 2, 3, and 4 files. Okay, so that is the first way to restore your notes on your iPhone. So now the second way is to just go ahead and check your settings. Click on settings, click on your Apple ID, click on iCloud, and here when you turn on the notes option right here, that means that all of your notes is saved on your iCloud. Okay, so if you turn on your switch here for your notes, what you need to do is to just go ahead and open your browser. So I'll be using iCloud. Then just go ahead and sign in your Apple ID. Okay, click on sign in, and then just go ahead and log in your account. Okay, so let's just wait for it. So now just go ahead and scroll down until you see the notes section, and when you click on the notes section, you should see all of your notes right here. Okay, so that is how you restore notes on iPhone. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.